Mastering offers in English. Shall I take the lead? Hello, English learners. Today we're going to dive into a very specific yet important aspect of conversational English. Making offers using the phrase, shall I? This is a polite, often formal, way to offer help or suggest an action, and mastering it can make your English sound more natural and refined. Before we start practicing, it's crucial to understand the usage of shall I. This phrase is used to offer assistance, suggest an action, or propose doing something for someone else. Let's look at an example. Shall I open the window? In this case, the speaker is offering to open the window for someone else. The use of shall I makes the offer sound polite and considerate. Now let's explore different situations where you can use shall I. You can use it in various scenarios, from everyday life to business settings. Everyday life scenario: shall I make a cup of tea? Business scenario: shall I schedule the meeting for next Wednesday? Remember, it's all about offering to do something that could be beneficial to the other person. Now comes the fun part, practice. For this exercise, imagine various scenarios and try to form sentences using shall I. I'll start with a situation, then pause to give you time to create your sentence. Situation 1. You see your friend struggling with carrying heavy bags. Situation 2. You notice it's getting dark and you're with a group of friends in a park. Situation 3. Your colleague seems overwhelmed with a project. Remember, the goal is to make an offer that could be helpful to the other person in each situation. And that's it for today. With practice, using shall I to make offers will become second nature. Remember, mastering these small details in language learning can significantly improve your fluency and comprehension. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!